Want to add a WhatsApp button on your Instagram profile? Here's how to set it up quickly. First, open Instagram. Go to your profile. If you don't see a WhatsApp button yet, you need to switch to a professional account. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Go to Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Choose Creator or Business and complete the setup. Now go back to your profile. Tap Edit Profile. Select Contact Options. Tap WhatsApp Business Phone Number. Enter your WhatsApp business number. Make sure it's correct, then tap to send the verification code. Open WhatsApp, copy the code you receive, and enter it on Instagram. Once verified, go back to your profile. If the WhatsApp button is not visible, tap Edit Profile again. Make sure Display Contact Info is turned on. Tap Done. Now return to your profile. You'll see the WhatsApp button added to your account. And that's it. Now anyone can message you directly on WhatsApp from Instagram. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.